In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a supplier batch payment in Xero. Managing payments efficiently is critical in ensuring your business runs smoothly, and batch payments can save you a lot of time when dealing with multiple bills simultaneously. So, let's dive in and see how you can streamline this process. First, make sure that you're logged into your Xero account and looking at your dashboard. Look towards the top of the screen where you will see the navigation bar. Here, you're going to click on Purchases. This will produce a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, choose Bills. By selecting Bills, you are navigating to where all your supplier invoices are stored, whether they have been paid or are still outstanding. Once you're on the Bills page, focus your attention on the tabs available there. You want to locate the tab titled Awaiting Payment. Clicking on this tab will filter out the invoices, showing you only those bills that are due for payment and haven't been settled yet. This is particularly useful for keeping track of what needs attention and helps avoid any oversight on pending payments. Now, let's prepare the bills you want to include in your batch payment. Go through the list of awaiting payments and you'll notice check boxes next to each bill. Check the boxes corresponding to the bills you intend to pay in this batch. This selection method allows you to customize which invoices are paid together, making the process more flexible and targeted toward your specific payment requirements. After deciding on which invoices to pay, it's time to proceed with the payment process. Look for and click on the button that says Make Payment. By doing this, you're on the way to settling these bills. But hold on, there's one more step. In this next stage, a window will pop up with different payment options for you. Here's where you're going to select Batch Payment. Once you've chosen this option, it's crucial to accurately input all the necessary details related to the batch payment. This includes the payment date, payment reference, and any other specifics that your bank requires to process these transactions smoothly. Once you've filled in all the necessary information for your batch payment, it's finally time to click Make Payments. Doing so will formally initiate the process, and the selected group of invoices will proceed for payment based on the details you've provided. And there you have it. In just a few streamlined steps, you've successfully created a supplier batch payment in Xero. This method not only saves time by consolidating payments, but also minimizes the risk of missing due dates and incurring late fees. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping. Remember to subscribe for more tips on navigating Xero and other financial tech solutions.